Alright, Woodbury. Tanga zu direction de khas ta chigli thyen de ta thyen ra de thenge has digital thing kunzu mashi director do yugir da anyway so this side thenge ani Hudson Valley ladi this is their food court, not really food court, they have food court on the other side. I like way back then they had. This is, I guess, a little snacking spot or something. Okay, all the brands. Brand Zigri Zigzig Ming Duda. Zigri Zigzig Ming de la Dusha.
Because you see everything from the first floor.
Okay, Sandro Paris is there. Dela da. Larang Plaza tingi da. Sandro Paris, Meiji and da. Meiji da Zimmerman. These brands Zimmerman. Oh my god. Sono mo lido. Sono na de at least chimna ni walk chi skin pura burn chi. Sunscreen chume wa mi shaban pura sunscreen chuller da. Brand is the chili chick ziga deshra. Kasha raya. Ah, kisi pesha yana. Gaya me gedo. Kasha se yan pesha yana. Oh my goodness. And it's like already. I like this bag. I like this bag, but I feel like it's a little too big for me. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna pay now. Hi.
How are you?
Good, thank you. Alrighty. Tamale is here. My subbing is here. Oh my goodness, it's hot here.
Oh, okay. You should store things in it. I got you.
So most likely we'll probably visit like one more store, I think, for boys, and then we'll head back. It's hot, and we don't want to tire Daddy because Daddy will need to drive back. So yeah. Thank you, Buju. Salam alaikum, darling. Put back what you moved. Queen Parando ama. Okay, thank you, darlings. Yeah, thanks Under Armour. Say, this is the house. Okay. So our boys, they chose this lunch bag, and both of them wants the same color, and I do agree. The black one is the coolest.
Supreme seems far removed. I get along without you. Very well, still nothing I.
Alrighty, we're taking a break, stretching our leg, using the washroom. Boys are here. Somewhere, not sure what's the city, somewhere in US. We still have a little bit less than, we're halfway through. We're halfway through. I think a bit more than the halfway passed already. Already. Alright. Oh, thanks, darling. Alrighty, so we are 3 hours away from our home. So I think we'll be at the border in 2 hours. So that's the. We'll be at the border in 2 hours, and it's raining a little bit already.
I want to go. But I got one
It
little
is
problem.
raining.
Once I'm finishing with this, we're gonna have lots and lots.
Running fast and the dog. Maybe I'm a don't know. Wow, finally we're at Buffalo. Buffalo. We are by our home.
Huh? 11, 12 minutes.
Why?
Okay, yeah, actually 11 dosha, okay?
Okay, so proud Canadians headed home. Actually, Pujun shows number 11, and it's going pretty fast, faster than the 12 and the 13. We are number 4, or in line number 3. Okay, we just crossed the border.
How many money do you
We're
actually
going to the
have?
toll.
Nothing.
We used to pay toll by cash. Now it's either the Easy Pass or the card. Debit card. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah?
Cat? Prove it to me. I can't. Can't I get them? Do you have a Tashi? What's taking so long?
24 hours later.
Hello. I'm doing a mini haul of what we bought at the Woodbury Outlet. We didn't buy much. We went to a couple of stores, but we only shopped at 2 stores. So here we go. First one is from this Under Armour. Boys wanted to go there, and they actually shopped with their own money. They got some gift from the elders, so they shopped with their own money. It's a lunch bag for school next year. Lunch bag for school next year. So basically, just put your food. And I like the container usually I like the lunch bag that sits upright. I don't like the one that sits like this and the handle at the side, because there are more chances of the food to spill. So they chose a good bag. So 2 lunch bag, and they chose a school backpack. I think they chose a school backpack. They have it's a good size, big size. They have like laptop. They have room for separate room for laptop and big handle. So again, boys chose 2 bags. Backpack for themselves, and they got a shirt, t-shirt. And this one, both of them got same shirt. Two the same shirt. And Sonam got one in orange. And Yunshin got one in gray. So that's about it. These are boys shopping. Now just give me a second. This is mommy's shopping. I got 2 things for myself. First, it's a mini purse for to go, to just put it in our belt bag. It comes with a chain. It's not really into it. Kind of like wristed, but I like the shape. The cards can sit nice and neat. So it's mini wallet. And the second item, last but not the least, it's a crossbody bag. It actually has like a smaller handle for the shoulder and the longer one for the crossbody. And the strap is adjustable, so I probably will put some of here. And I kind of like it's open. There's no zip or anything. There is magnet closure, but I like the tote concept. Nothing much to say, just like a tote style. It does have a mini zip pocket inside, which I like. Some doesn't have the zip, and I normally like the zip ones because if I have anything important, I can just stick it in there and zip it up. So I love this one because it's very roomy inside. I can put a lot of stuff, and it's not that big. I don't like big bag in daily basis, especially the crossbody, so this is perfect. So this is how it is. This was the only color available when we were in the store. So if they had like a little darker color, I would have probably gone with it. But this is kind of like beige. It's not that bad. But I rather would have gone for a little darker, but I like it. So this is our shopping mini haul. Just wanted to share with y'all what we got at the Woodbury Outlet. It was very hot that day, and we had long way back from New Jersey to Toronto, so we didn't spend much time at the outlet. We were just like in and out, but it was a very effective in and out instead of walking around in hot, sunny weather. We were just in and got whatever we liked and wanted to get, and then we were out. So that's about it. And with this, I would like to end today's video here. And thank you so much to all of our viewers and all of our subscribers. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel. We will really appreciate it. And see you on next video. Till then, bye.